We are one of Canada's leading distributors of food service equipment and supplies. We distribute to our customers predominantly across Canada, and we are the market leader in the Greater Toronto Area.
I think as the company has been growing, we recognize that we need a different ERP that the business can grow with. And when we went with SAP, we really wanted a software that not only would it work for us today, but it would work for us in 5 to 10 years as we continue to grow the business.
Illumity has been a very strong partner for us. They were a critical partner on our go live. Their team was instrumental in helping us launch.
We're doing a scanner add-on, so we're putting scanners in our warehouse. We wouldn't be where we are without the partnership and support we had from the Illumity team.
All the really good data that we've developed in SAP Business One is now pushed to the web, and we're using that in a B2B fashion to have our clients be able to order more product from us and order perpetually. The e-com store is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.